Hello everyone, Besmir from LanderLab here, and in this video I want to show you how you can connect the LanderLab MCP to ChatGPT. In the previous video I showed you how to connect Claude to the LanderLab MCP. If that is your use case, feel free to watch that video out. It's very simple to connect the LanderLab MCP to ChatGPT. It takes only 3 steps. The first step is to generate the API key on LanderLab. The second step is to create a new app on ChatGPT using the URL and the API key generated in the first step. And the third step is testing it to make sure it works properly. With that said, let's try and do it right away. Let's go to step 1 and let's try to get an API key on LanderLab. So once you are into LanderLab, you go to Settings, you go to API and MCP, and you create a new API key. Let's name it ChatGPT and let's create it. Okay, here is the API key, but what is interesting to us is the MCP tab. So let's go here and let's copy the URL right here. We will enter this URL later on ChatGPT. One thing that is very important is that this works only on the web version of ChatGPT. If you try to do it through a desktop app, it's not gonna work. So now let's go to ChatGPT. I need to connect ChatGPT to the LanderLab MCP. Let's go to Settings and let's go to Apps. Here we need to create a new app. Let's call it LanderLab MCP. And what it is important is that in the connection tab, we need to enter the URL generated before. Also very important, we need to select no auth and we need to agree to the terms. Okay, so here it shows that the connection went fine and let's click on connect. Now it is connected. Let's close this and let's go to the third step, which basically is checking if the connection is working fine. Let's do a simple test. I asked to show me a list of 5 lenders from my LanderLab account using the LanderLab MCP. As you can see, it gave me a list of 5 lenders from my LanderLab account, which means that the MCP connection is working fine. As you saw, it was very easy to get LanderLab connected to ChatGPT. It took only 3 simple steps. Thanks for watching.